you in need of a metal saw blade that's made for on-the-job cutting of non-ferrous metals? Well, you should take a look at Diablo's 12-inch, 96-tooth aluminum cutting saw blade. Diablo's next-generation aluminum saw blades feature the new, specially formulated Diablo TiCo Super Density Micrograin Carbide. These radical blades are engineered exclusively to withstand impact, reduce wear, provide clog-free cuts, and last longer than standard carbide in metal cutting applications. The specially formulated metal cutting carbide teeth feature a triple chip grind tooth geometry designed to produce clean, burr-free finishes, virtually eliminating any type of rework. Diablo's medium aluminum cutting saw blade is also equipped with a tri-metal shock resistant brazing, a 3-metal brazing system that allows these aluminum blades to slice through metal materials while withstanding extreme impact for maximum durability. The blade's laser cut stabilizer vents trap noise and reduce vibration for accuracy and durability, while the non-stick PermaShield coating helps protect against heat, gumming, and corrosion. The saw blades are optimized for cutting thin aluminum metals up to 1/8 of an inch, medium aluminum metals from 3/32 of an inch to 1/4 inch, and thick aluminum metals from 3/16 of an inch to 7/16 of an inch. This saw blade is ideal for cutting aluminum, copper, plastics, brass, and fiberglass for remodeling, demolition, electrical, and plumbing projects. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of Diablo as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products at factory direct prices. So log on to Sawblade.com for all of your sawing needs, from circular saw blades, coolant, and replacement parts. And while you're there, don't forget to check out Sawblade.tv, where you can access our assortment of sawing solutions, tech tips, and keep up with the latest in Sawblade.com motorsports. Sawblade.com is simply the best in performance sawing products. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.